we will learn how to create posters in Canva. As you are able to see over here, the step number one is to click on create a design. When we click on create a design, we will get this particular drop down thing where I'm able to select maximum things from here. That is a lesson plan, planner, proposal, bookmark, announcement, label, postcard, calendars, and so on. So what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the first part, that is the poster. When you click on it, you will get an untitled poster like this, and I have just opened it and kept it. First, you have to give a name. So I will be giving a name, book event poster. I am creating a book event, and these are the templates which are available, and this is the search menu. They require to click on, or you require to search whatever things you require. I require events. There are n number of events that are available. We can select any posters from the events which are available in the library. Now, while selecting, care has to be taken. See, when I'm scrolling over here, I'm able to see the button free. But when I'm scrolling over here, I'm not able to see free. So those posters which are free, it is advisable that we will be using only those posters for our poster making. I'm just searching anything related with book event is there or no. Yes, I got it. So I'm selecting book event and it is also free. So when you click on it, you will be able to get the poster over here, and I require to make few changes. Now I require to rename it. So how to rename it? A very simple mechanism, just double click over there and write TGAA. And the next thing is over here 18. I require to convert it from 18 to what? I require to convert this particular part to 20. Over here, venue is there. If you require to make any changes to the venue, you can make it. And then the next thing is elements. Elements are present. N number of elements are present. And from the n number of elements that are present, we can select any one element and we can make it. So we have featured lines, shapes, stickers, charts, grids, whatever element you feel can add more creativity to your posters, you can just add it. Done. Now after you think your poster is done or it is finalized, we have to just download it. From where to download? Here is the download option. Click on the download option. You will get many extensions as PNG image, JPG image. Always we are putting JPG image. JPG image, and click on the download button which you are able to see. After few seconds, you will be able to see prepare your design. So the design is now preparing, and within seconds it will be downloaded. So in this manner, you are able to download. First of all, you are able to create your posters and you are able to download your posters. After downloading, the next step is uploading the posters which you have created in Google form. I will show you how to upload it. We have to wait till the downloading is complete. Once the downloading is complete, our poster is ready and we can use that particular poster. So I hope this part is very clear as how to create and how to download it.